Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Factory Fiction. Today, we got some upgrades. We got Gearhead's new intercooler for the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, and it is a big bad boy. Coming up on today's episode, it's going on the FFRS. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so my bad, I screwed up. The bash bar doesn't come off. There's basically, I don't know what you would call them. They're not welds, but they're almost like pinch welds right here where it doesn't come apart. So long story short, Gearhead actually already has an install video on YouTube. There is no sound though, which it's fine. It's an in-depth video. I always prefer somebody to be talking and explaining things than typing and just silence. So I'm gonna try to recreate. So where we're at, I still needed to remove the headlights just to, since I'm this far, like I'm not sure that you need to remove them, but I mean my car is this broken down. So so where we're at, I removed these shrouds on either end of the radiator. And now I'm about to drain the system. So that's pretty much where we're at. Check in with you in a minute. So I think I'm on a bit of a slant. In the driveway here. So I'm having a little trouble getting the coolant to drain. So I'm basically just hopping on it. Alright guys, so that's still draining. So next step is to remove the air box. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so it says the next step is to remove the pipe from the intercooler to the throttle body. Alright guys, so I got one of the two condenser bolts out. I'm working on the second one right here. You can see my socket. The other one was here. So I had to loosen that whole piece to get at it because my socket got stuck. So that sucks. But anyway, we're trucking. So that's what's going on. This sucks. I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright guys, so now it says to just kind of lift the condenser. And lean it forward. So about like so. Then it says remove the upper intercooler pipe, which is this guy here. 2. There she is there. Alright. Show you guys. So we got this leaned out, as you can see, and then we got the intercooler pipe out here. Okay. Alright guys, so then next step is to remove the upper and lower radiator hoses, which I already removed the upper because it was easier to get at the intercooler pipe right there. That's there now. And then the lower one, which is this guy. So it's down there, so I'm going to get under the car and disconnect that. Guys, so the next thing it says is to remove the radiator support screws, which are usually here. I already took them out because I took the whole front end off. So now it says to pop the clips out off of the fans. These freaking clips, man, are something else, yo. There's a bunch of them. See, so in the Gearhead video, it shows hyperlapse. So this is going super fast. It's not that quick. I'll show you how many there are down here. There's a lot. So if you can see all those clips, there's some way down there that are super hard to get at, and more over here. All right, so let me try to find the 8mm bolts, and let's, oh, there's one here. Right back here. So I bet you the other one's over here, and then hopefully we'll build up that fan out of there. All right, so I got the 2 8mm out. So now try to get the fan out of there. All right, y'all, this is not going great. I did get the fan out. Sorry, battery died. I ran through a whole battery on this already. So this is kind of where we're at. Fans are out. There's not a lot of room in here. So yeah. But I think at this point, as I go, like I'm gonna clean the engine bay pretty good afterwards. I might even I have a new battery. That sucker is all acided out. It's all nasty. And it's disgusting in here. So yeah, give me a sec. I washed my hands as good as I could. I went and grabbed some gloves. So let me glove up and then we'll get back to business. All right guys, so now it says to remove the lower intercooler pipe and the intercooler flange. I'm gloving up here. All right. Which are down here. So, I think pretty much all these are like number 8s. If I can get at it, every single clamp is turned in the freaking opposite direction of how you'd want to be able to get at, which just freaking sucks, man. I wonder if I can undo the flange first. Let me try that. Try to get under and see if I can get at it a little better. I'll try to give you guys a little, if I can show you. No, I really can't. So here's the flange. So I got the first bolt out right there. It's right there. Here's what I'm trying to get at. The clamp, or yeah, the hose clamp. And of course the head is facing down, so I'm gonna try to get at it from the bottom side. So give me a minute. Frick. All right guys, so I still couldn't get to that bolt. I tried and tried and tried and tried for over an hour to get to the bottom bolt here. Right here. Still didn't get it. Loosen the whole radiator support to get that out of there to get enough room. What a freaking mess. This sucks. Y'all, I hope this intercooler is like gangbusters, because this freaking sucks. Alright guys, so we got it out, like I said, 2 bolts. I'm gonna get her apart and then hopefully start the process putting her back together. Man. Alright y'all, so we got the new one connected to the radiator. I will show you, look at the new one. Let's compare it to the old one here, the stock factory one here. Look at how freaking dinky that thing is. Here, I'll show you side by side here. There you go. Huge difference. Alright guys, so I ended up getting the new intercooler in there. Now I'm just trying to finagle it around to get everything hooked back up, but it is in there. So we got it all put back together. I'm sorry I didn't film more of that. It honestly has just gotten so freaking messy and crazy that I'm frustrated. So we're this far. Intercooler's in, fans are back in, everything's back in. Okay. But here's my pipes. So friggin' episode bonus. Eco Power Parts hot pipes install. Might as well. We're this deep. Here we go. Let's do this thing. So, if you guys aren't familiar, Eco Power Parts makes, this is their hot pipe kit. So it replaces your stock OEM intercooler piping. I went ahead and got crinkle black finish so that it would look OEM. That's the whole style of my build. And so I literally just want everything about it to look OEM if possible. So I'm gonna get that guy there. Alright. Get my MAF sensor out of the stock piping. Alright guys, so little update. You can tell it's definitely not nearly as light out here. I started setting up the hot pipes, so I went through, pulled the blow off valves off my stock pipes, got them installed in the main pipe here, got to my MAF sensor, and boom, gets to there and it stops. So that the O-ring is not letting it go in there, and it's super tight, so it's not going in there. So I emailed Mike over at Eco Power Parts to see what the deal is with that. But man, as far as this goes, I'm done for the night, man. This intercooler was way bigger of an undertaking than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, I don't know. But like I said, the quality speaks for itself. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. Everything's good, and I'm sure it's gonna run great. So I'm sure it'll all be worth it. But yeah, so I just kind of plugged up my throttle body, my intake, and then the rear turbo hose back there. You can kind of see it, the red there. Plugged that up, and then kept my intercooler plugged up here. So yeah, I'm gonna wait to hear from Mike and see what he has to say, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, you guys, and call it a day. I'm friggin' beat. I went to sleep at like 3:30 in the morning last night and got up early. So anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. We are going to end the video here. We'll see what Mike has to say. Maybe I will extend the video. So if I do, I'm going to wait for the email and we'll see where we go from there. We'll see what's going on tomorrow. So check back in tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. Peace.